Good morning, guys! Welcome to my YT channel. I'm going to show you how to use or operate this portable and cordless sewing machine that I bought a year ago. This is my new toy, a useful toy. It's a very handheld product. First, before I'm going to demo about the function of this product, let me discuss the parts of this sewing machine. This is the actual product. Wow! First, this is the power switch. Unlock and lock part of this machine. This is the arm needle. This round part is the rotary wheel. The adapter input. This is the bobbin. The needle itself, and this is the fastening plate. And this is the location of the battery where I put four AA batteries. So to start, this is my Christmas curtain that I'm going to start to sew, and it's very useful because I'm going to use this for my Erica's torn clothes like this, her shorts. To start, let me begin with this curtain. First, going to put inside the clothes, the curtain. Then turn the rotary wheel like this so that the needle will go down. To start, and make sure that it was straight line when you're going to sew it. I use my foot to serve as a support. No. You need to go to the tailor shop or go to a dressmaker to have your clothes prepared. Just have it. It's only 400 something. You can buy it online. I'm done with this. See? So easy. Okay, guys. I'm done. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you